Okay, with this video we're going to construct an arc that is tangent to two lines using only a compass and a pencil and our triangles. So these are the two lines, and I want to construct an arc with a radius of this length between these two lines. So the method we're teaching, first we're going to draw parallel lines using the arc method. So first of all, we'll set our compass to the length of the desired radius, and then we will put the compass point along the first line and draw an arc, and these should be light construction lines. And then we'll move it to the other line and do the same process. Swing a series of arcs that are parallel to that line. The more arcs you use, the more accurate your parallel lines will be, but also the more confusing it may be. You should use at least a minimum of 3 lines. So now, once I have that, I'll line my triangle up tangent with the arcs, draw a construction line, and then draw a second construction line parallel to the other line. And the intersection of these two lines is the center of our radius. But what we don't know is where the radius becomes tangent to these two lines. So we need to use the perpendicular bisector method to construct perpendicular lines through this intersection to these lines to identify our tangency points. So I'm going to take my compass, set it at the intersection of the two lines, set it greater than the distance to the line, and then swing an arc that crosses that line, and then I can do the same thing with the other line. And once I have those arcs, I've created equal distances from this point to where these arcs intersect each line, and then I can move up to where those intersections are. I can now adjust my compass if I want to a little bit wider, and I'll swing an arc from there. I will adjust it, or I will set the compass at the intersection point of the other radius, and then I'll repeat that for the other line down here. Trying to be very accurate on my placement of my compass. Once I have those, I can use my triangle to draw a construction line from the intersection point through the intersection of these arcs, creating a perpendicular line to our original lines. These will identify the tangency point of our radius. Then I will set my compass to my original length of my radius, place that at the intersection point, and then draw my, check that, maybe adjust my compass just slightly, and draw my desired radius. And there we have it. The radius should be an object line. All other lines should be construction lines. These are a little bit dark, but I drew them dark so you could see them.